What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. So today, guys, we're going to do a video that a lot of people have been asking me to do. I appreciate you guys sending me ideas and things to research for you guys, man. That's how we can keep this channel rolling and keep these reaction videos rolling. But this is something that I'm actually curious about myself, because we always talk trash about how the dealerships are trying to get over on us. Nobody really knows how much the car salesmen actually make when they sell cars. Now, I know for sure places like CarMax, they get paid the same amount regardless of what type of car they sell. I believe the amount they get paid is like $150 a car. So it doesn't matter if they sell a Corolla or if they sell a Mercedes, they still get the $150. Now, that could have changed. This is what I was told a long time ago, and I'm not sure if that has changed, but from what I understand, they get paid the same amount regardless of what kind of car they sell, which is good in a sense, because if the car is more expensive, they're going to try to push you even harder to buy it. Whereas at CarMax, they don't really care. They're gonna give you the same type of treatment whether you're buying a Corolla or if you're buying a daggone Bentley. It doesn't matter at CarMax. But for regular traditional dealerships, they get paid mainly off commission. So they want you to buy the higher end or the higher trim car or the most expensive car. So today, guys, I got a video of these salesmen actually revealing how much they actually make a year. And I also have a video of salesmen letting you guys know how much they make monthly. This should be a good video, guys. Let's get into it.
How much do you make in car sales?
183 a year.
What's the most ever made in car sales? 338,000.
How much do you make in car sales?
Most I've made in a year is
How much do you
Crush.
make in car sales?
About 135,000 yearly.
How much do you make in car sales?
last year I made about 150.
How much do you make in car sales?
Now, I'm not sure if these are the finance people or if this the actual car smells. I don't know if these are finance managers or if these are the actual car salesmen that actually assist you when you first go into the dealership. Some of these guys are sitting behind the desk and looking like they're at their computer, and most of the times those are the managers or the finance people. So I'm not sure which one it is.
Not enough, sir. Not enough.
We need to see them out last year.
Not enough. Some of those guys are making some crazy money. So my strategy is I don't go in there acting like these guys are going to try to do me a favor. Everybody's trying to make a profit. Everybody's trying to, sustain their lifestyle. So when you go into the dealership, you got to have your ducks in a row. Know what you want, know how much you're willing to pay. Because if you don't, as you can see, some of these people are making almost over $250,000 a year off people not knowing exactly how to buy a car and what the process is or how to manage the process. Because they will force you into doing things that you probably, if you had a second, you probably wouldn't do. So you got to be on point when you go into a dealership. And the main thing is having your financing already taken care of if you're going to be financing the car. Now, if you're going to pay cash, there's a whole different strategy on how to buy a car in cash. And I'll probably make a whole separate video on that. And if you want that video, guys, leave it in the comments. But the second part here, guys, is these salesmen are going to reveal how much they make a month. And it's pretty interesting because these guys are making some bank.
Jose, what's the most money you've made in 1 month selling cars?
13,000.
Damn.
Not bad.
Hey, Patrick, what's the most amount of money you've made in 1 month selling cars?
The entire month?
Yeah,
Like not the year, the month?
the month.
Probably like 3,700.
Nice. Grace,
Bad.
what's the most money you've made in 1 month selling cars?
11.7.
She crushed. She
Steve,
crushed.
College football.
Steve, what's the most money you've made in 1 month selling cars?
Didn't I tell you?
No.
What?
Must not have been any of your fucking business.
There's always
New
one,
character
bro.
unlocked. Ariel, what's the
I know
most
she
money
crushed.
you've made in 1 month selling cars?
20,000.
Golly.
Slade,
That's what I'm talking about.
what's the most money you've made in 1 month selling cars?
13,000.
Nice. Bailey,
Yes.
Not
what's
bad.
the most amount of money you've made in 1 month in the car business?
It's my yearly salary divided by 12.
And as you can see, some people aren't comfortable revealing how much they make a month. But, I figured these car salesmen were making good money. I mean, you got to think some of these people are selling $100,000 cars. You know what I'm saying? Then the interest rates are so high. So the dealership is making money off the interest rates. The people coming in with bad credit, they make money off selling money. Then they also make money when you go back there to sign the paperwork, they make money by adding all these different products to your car that you don't need. For instance, when I went with my daughter to buy her new car, they was trying to charge her like $1,200 for some kind of spray ceramic crap that you can buy from AutoZone for $6. They wanted $1,200 for it. And then they also wanted to charge her another $800 for some kind of security crap you can put on your phone. I'm like, you can buy something for $25 at a track where you can monitor where your car is. I'm not gonna pay y'all $800 for that. So, you know, if you're not careful and don't do your research and aren't familiar with car buying process, you can easily overspend, and the dealerships are going to make a killing. So as you can see, these guys aren't making pennies. They're making pretty good money. It's very hard to find out exactly how much people are making in the car business. And it's really been hard to get an idea of what it costs to even build a car. I've never seen a video that reveals how much it costs a manufacturer to actually build a car, but they want to charge you $70,000 and $80,000 for a car. I mean, just think about it. It costs maybe $10 to make a Nike shoe, and then they charge you $200 for it. You feel what I'm saying? So it got to be the same process with these cars. I mean, they're all bringing parts from all over the world. These cars are probably costing $5,000 to make, and they charging us $60,000 for it. You know, like I said, I don't know. If you know, leave it in the comments. It just seems to be a big mystery. Nobody really knows how much it actually costs to build a car. That would be interesting to find out. And I'm going to try to do some research and try to find out. But leave your comments, guys. What do y'all think about this video? And guys, let me say this. I don't have a problem with people, you know, being able to take care of their families. But, you know, you got to be careful because there's always snakes and dirty people in every profession. You know, not every car salesman is a snake. I've ran across some pretty decent people, you know, during my time buying vehicles. So, you know, don't take this the wrong way. Everybody has to feed their family, but at the same time, you know, you got to be careful because there are some people out here who are only thinking about themselves, especially when it's come down to business. This is not a attack on car salesmen. I mean, everybody deserves to make money. You know what I'm saying? That's the way of the world. That's how the world continues to spin. It's people making money. Car salesmen and car dealerships in general are in the business to make money. So you got to understand that it's not personal. It's all about money. So just make sure that, you know, you educate yourself before you go to a dealership, because these people are making some serious money and there's nothing wrong with that. But at the same time, just make sure you not being taken advantage of. Well, hit the like button, subscribe, guys. Keep sending in your ideas or sending me videos. And you can also send me videos on Twitter. I'll leave my Twitter at the bottom of this video. You can email me, send me messages on Instagram. I'm on all social medias, even TikTok. I'll leave all that stuff in the description. If you're new to my channel, hit the like button, subscribe. I appreciate y'all watching. I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.